Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a quick recap on the phonic sounds of all the alphabets from A to Z, and you will have to repeat after me. So let's start. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jug. K, kite. L, lion. M, mango. N, nest. O, orange. P, parrot. Q, queen. R, rabbit. Sun. T, teapot. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, xylophone. Y, yuck. Z, zebra. So practice this at home every day, the phonic sound of all the alphabets A to Z. Bye bye.